Still trying to figure out the mom, trying not to fall on the butt. Oh man.